Today let us look at a trick that will help us to multiply two numbers that end with 5. Here I have given few numbers on which we can apply this trick. If we look into this, when the numbers end with 5, they will have 5 in their units place and the digits before the number of that units place can be any number. If we take such numbers 45 and 65 to multiply this, let us consider that the result will have two parts. One is the left hand side of the result and the other one is the right hand side of the result. First we will look at how to get the left hand side. So we will take the digits that are other than 5 from the numbers 4 and 6 and we will multiply those two numbers. 4 into 6 is 24. To this we will add half the sum of the numbers that we have multiplied now. So it is like 24 plus 4 plus 6 by 2. As we know, when we divide any number with 2, there is a possibility of getting two reminders. One is 0 and the other is 1. This reminder will decide the rest of the result, that is right hand side of the result will be dependent upon the reminder whatever we get after this division. So if we look at this now, it is the coefficient is 5 and the remainder is 0. So just add the 5 to 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. This is the first half of the result, and the second half, if it the remainder in the division that we have performed while getting this 29 is 0, we will put it down as 25. So what we have to write when the remainder is 1, we will look at that later, but let us understand the trick again. I am taking another set of numbers like 35 and 95. To get the first part of the result, what we are supposed to do is first multiply these two digits other than 5, that is 3 into 9, 27, plus add these two digits, that is 3 plus 9 divided by 2, 6 is the result, but again we have got remainder as 0. So first perform this addition. 27 plus 6 is 33. This is the first part of the result, and as we have got remainder 0, we will just put down 25 after this. This will give the entire product of these two numbers. So if this part is done, but when the remainder is 1, what we are supposed to write in the right hand side of the result, we will look at that now. I am taking a set of numbers that will give 1 as the remainder. So if I take these two numbers 75 into 85, the first thing is multiply these two numbers 56 plus add the numbers and divide them with 2. Here it is 15 divided by 2, the quotient would be 7 and remainder is 1. So this remainder 1 will decide only the second part of the result. So first part of the result we will write it down just by doing the addition of these two things. 56 plus 7, that is 63. That gives the first part, and the second part we will put it down as 75 because in the previous division we have got remainder as 1. So if remainder is 0, we will put it down 25 in this place. If it is 1, we will write it down to be 75. This thing we have to remember. Let us look at another set of numbers that would give us remainder 1. When I take these two things, 12 into 11 is 132. To this, 12 plus 11, 23 divided by 2. Quotient would be 11 and remainder is 1. So I am just adding the quotient here straight away and it would be 143. As the remainder is 1, put it down to be 75.